Hey friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Bond, this is Oleg, and we got a new watch. This video is going to be broken down into three parts. The first part is going to be all about how I got the watch. The second part is going to be the unboxing experience of the watch. And the third part, I'm going to talk about some of my initial impressions. So first, let's talk about how I got this watch. I got it as a gift. It's wild. It's the nicest gift I ever got. I don't think that this is a regular occurrence in my life where I get these beautiful, amazing, expensive watches as gifts all the time. This is actually the first time that I got such an expensive gift. This is the most expensive gift I got in my life. This watch came from a good friend of mine. I helped him put together a business deal. This is not the first business deal that we've done together, and we have kind of a tradition where we exchange gifts after each successful business deal. Now this one, he did really well from it. I helped him put the business deal together, and because of that, he gave me this watch as a thank you. Now, when he gave it to me, I didn't believe my eyes, because what I gave him was a bottle of wine and this other small thing. It was nowhere near this much of a gift. And then when he gave it to me in a bag, it was in this white box. It doesn't say Breitling anywhere on it. I thought it was going to be a watch winder. Because he's a watch guy, I'm a watch guy, and I always compliment him on his watch winders. I thought it was going to be a watch winder, which is an amazing gift. I almost said, I know what's in the box. I think I know what's in the box. So then, imagine my surprise, cutting the step open, opening it up, and seeing Breitling logo there. Wow, goosebumps. Instant goosebumps everywhere. Unbelievable. I was like, you're kidding me, man. You're kidding me. Are you out of your mind? It's such an amazing gift. It's such an amazing experience to get this. Wow. If you unboxed or owned a Breitling watch before, you probably think that this doesn't look anything like the packaging that you're used to. And that's because this is the new 2021 packaging. They do this new packaging out of recycled plastic, so it's actually all recycled plastic. They don't have these leather boxes anymore, which is pretty cool. And the box itself feels nice. It's nice and compact, so it doesn't take too much space on your shelf, which I like. You open this first step, and you are, of course, greeted with the watch, the warranty card, nice kind of a suede material, like inside of it feels really good. You have a Breitling logo there, front and center, and of course you see the watch on the cushion. Now, if you know anything about Breitling watches, you instantly recognize this watch. This is of course a Breitling Avenger 43mm, the 2021 edition. An amazing watch to have, to own, to experience, and of course to get as a gift. I'm gonna set the watch aside just for a second and show you a few other things about this new packaging, because I believe I'm one of the first few people to actually show this new packaging on YouTube. So this box, it unhooks from all sides. It has these kind of, what do you call them, like buttons, I guess. When you open all of these buttons, the box becomes completely flat. So again, it's much easier to store. If you don't have a lot of space, this one just goes into your drawer with the rest of the papers or something like that. Super easy, super convenient, and kind of a unique take on packaging. We're used to luxury packaging being so bulky and crazy. Just look at the Moonwatch. That one comes with a whole suitcase. This one here, pretty simple, minimalistic approach, which I like, especially since they're keeping with this theme of recycled materials. No waste, smaller space. I like it. Speaking of no waste, the little cushion that the watch comes on is actually not a cushion at all. You can unfold it like so, and when you unfold it, you can see that it's actually a watch pouch with a Breitling logo on it, and it feels really nice. Like the material just feels good. And inside of this pouch, you also get a little card holder with the Breitling logo. To be honest, this Breitling holder is not the best. It's okay, but it could be better. It's not up to the standard of quality like the rest of the packaging and the watch is. And that's pretty much it. But we didn't come here just to look at the packaging. Let's actually take a look at this beautiful 43mm diver watch. To be honest, it's not a watch that I would consider buying myself. I just never thought about Avenger as a watch that I would buy. But I fell in love with this timepiece. And I know what you're gonna say, Oleg, of course you have to say that, you got it as a gift, it's an expensive watch, and if I got a watch for free, of course I would love it too. But no, this is the real deal. I love it. And I don't have to just say it on video because my friend actually doesn't really watch these videos, so he wouldn't know anyways if I love the watch or not. But I do genuinely love it. If you've been following my Instagram, you probably noticed that I posted a lot of pictures of this watch in the last few days because it just is such a photogenic watch. The very first thing that I noticed is the AR coating on this crystal. Even though the crystal is domed, it pretty much disappears and it's as if you're looking at the dial directly, as if there is no crystal at all. This watch is available on a few different strap options. I got it on this canvas/leather strap. So the top is canvas and the bottom is actually yellow leather. It feels really good quality. It's very comfortable strap and I quite like it. The watch is also available on the new Breitling bracelet. I like the bracelet, but I feel like it makes the watch a little bit too flashy. I actually went to the AD to check out the watch on the bracelet because I thought maybe I'll buy the bracelet after the fact. It's 750 Canadian dollars, which is about what, 500 US. I don't see myself wearing the watch on the bracelet, so I didn't think it was necessary to buy the bracelet. Maybe I'll buy it in the future, but for now I'll stick to this canvas strap and to this NATO strap. This is what's called a Marine Nationale NATO strap. Basically a single pass NATO strap with a bit of an elastic. I actually got the strap in one of the watch building kits and I put that watch on a different strap. I put it on one of our Bond NATO straps. I felt like it belonged on the Bond NATO. And this strap was just sitting in my drawer. And I thought, hey, let's try this watch on a NATO strap. I didn't like the 2-pass NATO on this watch. I felt like it made the watch a little bit too bulky. But then I tried it on the single pass with the elastic and it works so damn well. I love this watch on the strap. It belongs on the strap. It looks good, it feels good, and now it feels like such a cool sports watch. It has that essential Breitling design. It looks very Breitling. At one glance, you can tell that that's a Breitling watch, but it's not oversized, it's not overly big on my wrist, and it is still very functional sports watch. I took this watch biking with me and it performed really well. Now, if you ever biked with a diver watch, you know that sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. The vibration from the bike, if the watch is too heavy or if the watch is uncomfortable, will actually make your wrist tingle and give you kind of a numb arm almost. With this watch, none of that. It's super comfortable, you almost don't feel it on your wrist. So if you have one of these watches, I will strongly suggest you get one of these straps. I also went to the Breitling boutique and I picked up another strap, a rubber strap. So in a full review, I will give you a little bit of a fashion show. I'll show you what the watch looks like on this strap, give you more information about what it looks like on this strap, tell you how I like to wear it, give you all the pros, all the cons about this beautiful timepiece. But for now, that's it. That's the unboxing. That's the experience of getting this watch. Those are my first reactions to it, peeling off some stickers and sharing the good news with you guys. I feel like a kid who just got a brand new outfit and is ready to go to school and show it to all his friends. Well, I'm the kid, this is the brand new outfit, and you guys are of course my friends. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about Breitling watches. What is your favorite Breitling other than the Navy Timer? Of course, everyone's favorite is the Navy Timer. What is your favorite if it's not the Navy Timer? Leave your thoughts below. I always enjoy reading your comments. By the way, today on my wrist, I'm wearing my G-Shock. I did a full review of this watch. That video can be found on the YouTube channel. I will also leave it linked in the description below. Also in the description below, there are a few other links. There's a secret link and there's a link to bondnetostraps.com. Have a look if you're curious. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. He's a good boy. Okay, let's do this. Oh, you're heavy. Okay. Yeah, you snore to test the microphone. How are the microphone levels? Satisfactory?